There is an entire process for pillow design. Yes, pillow design. When we think of and create an interior design concept, so many times the fabric or the area rug or an art piece are our starting points. Well, if the fabric was the starting point, oftentimes we'll bring that into the room in the shape of pillows or draperies. But when it comes to pillows, that requires an entirely separate planning process. So some of the things I want to think about when I'm doing pillow design is the thickness of the fabric, okay? Is it a thin fabric? If so, then it needs to be backed. What happens is it can stretch out of place or it can show through and bleed through where you see the actual color of the pillow fill. And you might not want that. You might want to keep the deep, rich color in that fabric, and you would back it with another fabric that would provide some stability. This one is a really thick upholstery type fabric, but you can have a whole wide range from fabrics that are really thick to really thin. And if it works for your design, you just want to prepare it the right way so that your pillows come out the way you intended.